Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Quiz World. IQ questions for kids. Before video started, subscribe my channel and press bell icon, like and share this video. Have you subscribed my channel? If not, please do. Can you guess 20 movies by emoji? Guess the famous movie. It's Lilo and Stitch. Guess the movie. It's a Frozen movie. Guess the movie. It's a Mufasa movie. Guess the movie. It's Snow White movie. Guess the movie. It's Spider movie. Guess the movie. It's a Barbie movie. Guess the movie. It's a Kill Bill movie. Guess the movie. It's a Sing movie. Guess the movie. It's famous Jungle Book movie. Guess the movie. It's a Batman movie. Guess the movie. It's a Fight Club movie. Guess the movie. It's Planet Apes movie. Guess the movie. It's a The Lion King movie. Guess the movie. It's Sleeping Beauty movie. Guess the movie. It's a Turning Red. Guess the movie. It's a Chicken Run movie. Guess the movie. It's a King Kong movie. Guess the movie. It's a Monster House movie. Guess the movie. It's a Black Panther movie. Guess the movie. It's Wall-E movie. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon watching more interesting videos.